Ready for battle in Florida. What's up, man?
Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Take the strutter and take a hand.
There he is, right in front of you. Oh, nice job, baby.
Yeah.
We're ready. We're ready for battle. Ready for battle in Florida with some Osceola.
We got her loaded down.
It doesn't even feel like, every time we go down here this time of year, it doesn't even feel like we should be hunting.
Nope. It's like, feels like it's about 40 degrees in Georgia this morning.
We've had some cold weather. Oh yeah.
This is cool right here. Just south of Richland, Georgia. Stopped at a little country store. What you think? Get some stuff?
Yeah, this is one of my favorite stops right here. This is whenever we go quail hunting.
Yeah.
My uncle and I come in here, we get some pecans, and I got the little white chocolate pecans for the road. So,
This is
I don't know what hunter
pecan pie.
Yeah,
And they got everything.
everything pecan in here.
I think I'm gonna,
You don't get some?
yeah, I'm gonna get something. You got the white chocolate?
I did.
I'm thinking about may try a little variety pack. Can't go wrong with the cinnamon spice.
What's up, Stud?
What's up, man?
How you been?
Good, how are you?
Good to see you
Good
again.
to see you.
Hey, buddy.
Hey,
I'm Hunter.
Hunter, Jordan Spencer.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, sir. You too.
How's it going, buddy?
Taylor.
I'm Hunter. Nice to meet you. What's going on, y'all?
Going on?
How's it going? Tyler.
Taylor.
Nice to meet you. What's up, man?
Good to see you.
Good
man.
to see you too.
So we can stay out there at Ray's Ranch tonight. If y'all want to tonight, just make it easy. It's got a lodge there. He's got a big office room too at the front
Okay.
where you can put all your camera gear out and everything.
We're
good
about
with-
the same distance from where we're hunting in the
Yeah.
morning from where
Okay.
y'all's at anyway.
We're good with whatever. I
It's
mean,
easy. Saves some money too.
How'd you sleep? Okay.
Decent.
I'm ready to go, man.
You were snoring
Was I?
hard.
Dang. I'm tired, man. Real tired. I am excited. I feel like we didn't sleep long at all.
We did.
But yeah, we got about an hour drive this morning. So we'll get loaded up. We got pretty much everything ready to go, and these guys I think are finally up. So we got an hour drive and I think a little bit of a ride back there. So we'll try to get in. It's 4:47 right now. He wants us to try to get to be back there where this bird's roosted by 6. So we got to kind of hustle.
Take the strutter and take a hand. See what happens. All right, let's spray this bug spray down for sure. Let's do this thing. So how far? What's kind of the plan?
We're gonna crawl through this fence right here.
Okay.
We're just gonna go up there, like I said, it's probably 70 yards or so, and he's going to be 50, 60 yards off from the base. So just set up real quick.
All right, sounds good.
Tucked in.
That sounds like a long beard. I'm almost thinking that could be him. It sounds like a man. Just landed to the left. Maybe she'll call him out. She does. There's another one just landed. Oh, is that a long beard? Is that a Jake? Yeah, isn't it? Yeah. It is. There he is. Right in front of you, Brian. Right in front of you. There he is. Right here. I see him. Running that Jake off. Careful, Brian. I know you're good. See him's right here. They're all coming.
gun click. Y'all hear that click? Oh, nice job, baby.
I had myself going. Thank you for backing me up there with that mouth call. Hunter, I think you may have saved me on that one. I was like, somebody yelp. Thank you, man. Oh, look at the freaking spurs on that turkey. Holy cow. I don't know what happened. A gun just...
It took everything out of me.
Did you hear him? Did you hear? You heard it click, and I was like, "Oh, dang it!" I'm glad we got him to check up down there, though. It would have been a, whew, dang it.
It's good. He's a dead bird now.
He's a dead bird. So there were 2 birds, and that was a pile of
There's
turkeys.
3 birds.
Was it 3
There's
longbeards?
another one over here still strutting.
Guys,
That got
awesome.
me fired up.
Dang it, that was awesome. Thank you. Holy cow.
What time is it? I'm 5 minutes late. Brian, Hunter, good job.
I milked it. I
Yeah.
said I was going to wait. I actually waited. Waited almost too long.
Tell you what, when I heard the split, I was
Oh,
hey,
crap.
my chair was shaking. His leg was on my chair. Boy got
The
fired
legend
up.
continues.
Got the shot though, by God.
Man, thank you.
I wanted my phone out so bad to video that, but I knew I couldn't move.
We got good video.
That was perfect. When he started drumming, I was like, oh man. That's what it's all about right there.
Hey, birthday bird.
Birthday burst, right. I forgot it's my birthday.
Me too. Let's get these birthday whippings out of the way before.
No kidding. This is all I wanted for my birthday.
You got it.
Dude, thank you again. B&B Outfitters. This was an awesome hunt right here. We had 3 longbeards out here. It was an eventful and good morning.